have pancakes?
Yeah. You have to. I'm gonna clean these.
I just cleaned the ones I'm using now.
Okay, I just want them and leave them out. This way anybody. Put them in there.
I don't know what the hell's, what did you need from Amazon?
Ooh,
I'm just gonna have to update it. I wanted something from Amazon.
oh, Kyle?
No, you did.
Oh, the fire stick. I bought one at Home Depot.
Oh. So why is it good on Amazon?
You probably already wanted me
I don't
to
know.
draw this for a long time. You probably
It's not a Home
don't
Stick,
know
it's called
about
a fire stick.
what they
Right,
looked
but I
like
think
back
you have
then.
different versions, no?
No.
But I've got a show I'd like to thank.
What, Kyle?
I'd love to thank the creators of Life on Our Planet, one of the best Netflix shows that have ever been launched on air. Tonight we're drawing the one and only, you know it, you love it, Trilobite. Trilobites have been a very famous species that have been discovered for probably
It's got
millions of
stuff
years.
on it.
Okay. I have them.
As so you are familiar with this, this is my first time drawing a Trilobite as well. Basically, they're covered with a large exoskeleton that prevents harm. There we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. Go in there and make sure get the volume to go lower.
Yeah, give me a minute.
It's driving me crazy.
Why?
No,
Now
I
we
didn't
just
watch
have to
TV last night. It was like being in a theater, so I shut it off. Need a flip flop.
What are you looking for?
Flip flopper. That's good. You know what? You don't have a lemon squeeze. I just got one the other
One thing
day.
that has to draw, and that's the legs. And there you have it. That's how you draw a Trilobite. Not bad for a few 4 minutes, huh? Better yet, 4.5 minutes.